Looking for the best DSLR camera kit, beginner, but not sure which one to choose. With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best DSLR camera kit, beginner, based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera EFS 18 to 55mm f/3.5-5.6 is 2-lens kit is a powerful camera that offers a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and a range of advanced features. It's perfect for photographers who want to capture high-quality images and videos. This camera is designed for beginners and intermediate photographers who want to take their photography to the next level. It's a great choice for those who want to learn the basics of photography and produce stunning images. Number 4. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera bundle is a great option for beginners who want high-quality images without breaking the bank. It comes with a versatile 18 to 55mm lens and a range of accessories, including a tripod and filters. This camera is perfect for those who want to learn the basics of photography and produce stunning images. It's a great choice for family photographers, travel enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to capture life's precious moments. Number 3. The XXZU 75-inch camera tripod is a game-changer for photographers who need a sturdy and versatile tripod. Its 3-in-1 design allows for flexible use as a monopod or selfie stick, and the 3-level angle adjustment ensures stability on uneven terrain. This tripod is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, content creators, and photographers who need a reliable shooting equipment. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to take their photography to the next level. Number 2. The Canon EOS R10 Content Creator Kit offers a stellar image quality thanks to its 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor. It's designed for content creators who need a reliable camera for 4K video recording. This camera is perfect for those who want to produce high-quality content on the go. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to handle, making it a great choice for vloggers and YouTubers. Number 1. The Fujifilm X-T50 Mirrorless Digital Camera XC15-45mm f3.5-5.60 ISPZ lens kit stands out with its dedicated film simulation dial offering fast access to 20 film simulations. It's perfect for photographers who want creative control over their shots. I'd say it's a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile camera with a wide range of features. Overall, this camera is a great option for those who want high-quality images and a fun shooting experience. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.